Wait, let me turn it down a little bit. Dude, my thing was so bright. Oh my god, bro. My ring light was so light. I think the colors didn't even pop up the way they should have. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Leech. You already know what to do. If you don't, now you do. Alright, so I'm back with another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be me doing my makeup based off my hair. And if you're looking at my wig, please don't, because I'm already knowing what you guys are thinking. I got this wig off Amazon for like $40-$50. I do have to do a lot more detailing to it just because like the lace, or not the lace, but my hairline looks fake. The bump right here, I just have to do a lot more to like make it look more realistic, but this will do because this is a makeup video, not a hair tutorial. And you know, I barely even know how to do my own hair, so trying to do a wig's hair is so much freaking harder. But I'm trying, I'm going with the process, and eventually I'll get it done. But for now, this is okay, it will do for the video. So I'm just gonna get started into this video. I hope you guys like this video. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell button. You guys already know the whole situation. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started into the video. I'm gonna be starting off by priming my eyelid with some concealer, which is the True Match concealer. And I bring the product right here in between my brows, so when I do my foundation, there is already product right there. What? So I'm taking my Masquerade mini palette and I'm gonna be using literally probably almost all these shades. First shade that I'm gonna be using is the shade called I don't know. Alright, so right here, and we're gonna start doing our makeup. So I'm bringing the brown past my eyebrow just a bit, probably like a little too much, but I want to make this look super extra, so that's what we're doing. I'm taking this dark brown to darken up the brown that I already put, and I'm putting it directly underneath it. So once that's completed, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Infallible concealer. This is in the shade Cashmere, so I'm going to be cutting my crease. So taking the same brush, I'm going to be going in this exact order. I'm going to be taking this blue, then this green, and then this kind of like dark baby blue in order, alright? And I'm using the MAC 217 brush with all three colors. So I'm putting the teal in the inner corner first. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna conceal one last time, and I'm gonna show you how. So basically with my concealer, I'm drawing kind of like an eyeliner. You know what I'm saying? So clear that up. Alright, so now for my eyeliner, I'm gonna mix it up. Instead of doing blues, I'm gonna do kind of like purples. So I'm going to be taking this pink, I'm going to be taking this, and then this purple right here, and I'm going to be putting that as my eyeliner. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to be taking my NYX Vivid Brights liner, and I'm going to be doing like a liner effect. I'm not really messing with this look, so I'm honestly just messing around right now, but this is horrible. Like, my NYX liner was cracking, so it looks so freaking patchy and cracky and ugly. Like, the hell? Like, this is really, like, it's not even fixable. So, like, honestly, I don't even care about this look anymore. Probably might redo it, but I'm just gonna pop some lashes on and hope for the best, because this look is ugly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I squished them. Why would I do that? I'm so stupid. This look has gone to poop, but let's see if we can fix it or not. Okay, so once I put the eyelash, it doesn't look that bad, but I'm still not messing with it, so we're gonna see what's up. I think I'm gonna just complete the whole look and just call it a day. Call it a crappy video. Not the best makeup tutorial, but whatever. Yo, I'm definitely not feeling this look whatsoever. But since the eyelashes like kind of like cover it, it doesn't even matter. It honestly doesn't even look that bad anymore because of the eyelashes covering it. But I still don't like it. So I'm taking this Infallible eyeshadow by L'Oreal, and I'm going to be placing that in the inner corner to replace it as a highlight. I already primed my face, so I'm going to go ahead and put some foundation on. The foundation that I'm using is my NYX Total Control.